The materials handling industry continues to evolve, and it can be difficult for Australian companies to keep up with the latest technology and thinking in conveyor design. Welcome back, I'm Tim Webster. However, with its long-established industry alliances and continuing research into the latest trends, Adept Conveyor Technology provides easy access to all the latest handling technologies for the manufacturing, freight and warehouse industries. Now, this means that when a customer talks to Adept, they'll have access to the same technology, hardware and systems that's also being offered by the major European systems integrators. But the big difference is that Adept builds its conveyors here in Australia, rather than importing a ready-made system. And that means that all the engineering support and spare parts are close at hand, not on the other side of the world. More details, go to adeptconveyor.com.au. And thanks for watching.